What you making?
We'll go like this and put it down in here.
Wow.
And then put some sprinkles on there.
Say thank you, Orly.
Oh, this is she's
Good job.
She's a real player.
Why is this so cool? I'm just dipping pretzels in chocolate.
May I help you? Get it on a little higher. Ooh, look at all that chocolate. Good job. Good job. Put it down. There you go.
Good job. Now
Good
put your
job,
sprinkles on
Bryn.
it. You can put lots.
Mother cake. Oh, how cool is that?
That's beautiful.
And there's gingerbread.
You want to do
You did
some
a
more?
Good job.
These came from all around the world.
No, they did.
No, we really did. I'm really serious.
That's so neat.
Say hi, everyone.
Say hi.
Ooh, that looks pretty, Bryn.
Bryn, smile.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Do I need to come tickle you?
Uh-oh. She's
Yes.
gonna come tickle.
Yes.
She's gonna come tickle you. Uh-oh, it's the tickle monster. It's the tickle monster. It's the tickle monster.
So we can do.
Should we eat those? Can I eat one of those?